Alright, so now we have this rabbit, and I want to make a few changes on it. So if I go into subdivision, or multi-res, subdivide it, it still maintains its shape just fine. Okay, and I can go, back up and down levels. The only reason I don't like multi-res that much is because when I go into edit mode, you don't get to see that. So, and sculpt works good, and I can go back up and down levels here. So there's a trade-off of not being able to edit your beginning topology. So we should at this point have good topology, and it should be written in stone before we go much further. So if you're not happy with it, you might want to back down and repair that. Because now what we're doing is we're starting to use these to develop the character a little bit better. Okay, and then I can just go up one level. And I kind of like the sass of what I had. Kind of like the style I had before. So, kind of reestablishing that style. And you can see where, since there's topology in certain areas with the wireframe, it really tells me where I need to sculpt. So I can do a subtract here. There, I like the attitude. I'm going to try to fix this a little bit. Nice. Like it. Okay, so let's subdivide it one more time. And I think it dips in here. And this is where I always kind of just go my own way. a little bit more attitude here. So we put some angles on this thing, like, you know, like squares. Just gives it attitude. Gets rid of that soft bunny feel. Establish one right here too, then move this in. And you can establish that one here too. All right, cool. So what we're now going to do is start kind of sculpting on it a little bit. I'm happy with the overall base underneath the mesh, but now we have to get to the sculpt, and the polygons are not uniformed enough to be able to do that, so we have to go and do something in the next video.